Check it out, guys. So we are walking towards the River City Marina right now, and we're heading to the boat tour at the River City Marina. So stay with us, guys, and we'll bring you with us. This looks like some Chicago apartments or condos over here, and we're heading down South Wells Street right now. And look at the exterior construction of this building here. Dorothy's complaining that I'm leaving her, guys, and literally she's right here. As you can see, guys, Dorothy has a little bump going on there in the tummy area, so y'all know what's up. We're gonna be having a little minion with us soon. On the way, Dorothy's cooking something up, guys. For there we got the British International School of Chicago. So guys, check it out. I think this is the lineup for the boat tour. There's already a big lineup. Good thing we came early, guys. So here's the boat tour ticket that we get, guys. And this is what we'll use to get onto the boat. So we are heading on the boat right now. Check this out, guys. This building is constructed on the river, and there's boats docked under the building. So here's the boat right here, guys.
Inside.
What's happening? What'd you get?
Hot dog and pineapple juice in a pouch. Cup was disrespectful.
How much?
$12.
For both?
13 for both, yeah.
all you need is a big blob of concrete on one end. To tear a bridge down, you need a crew, usually union guys, they're expensive. You need to hire a barge. You need all of the tools and the labor to tear that apart. You need to scrap the metal. Very expensive. So they just left it up. Great spot for photography. Everybody loves it. And rather than leave it down, you can see how low it would connect. We would not be able to pass underneath this bridge without having to lift it.
What's up, guys? So we just completed the Chicago architectural tour. It was just basically a boat ride through the city, guys. They showed us like all the architecture of Chicago. The buildings are stunning, guys. I have to say, Chicago is a city that's it has a lot of history. Basically, guys, the river, the Chicago River, runs through the city, and along the banks of the river is just amazing architecture, guys. We viewed all of those, and I definitely have to recommend that if you come to Chicago, definitely check out the architecture tour on the boat, that is. It's a beautiful tour, guys, and we're gonna head now to downtown Chicago to try some traditional deep dish pizza. So stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll show you what's up.